Imagine this. You are running ads on Facebook, Google, or TikTok, and suddenly your payment fails. Your campaigns pause, results drop. Sounds familiar, right? Now, imagine a card that never just works, but pays you back every time you spend on ads. Spend.net gives you free virtual dollar cards with cashback built in. Now, let's talk about how this could change the way you pay for ads forever. If you have ever managed ads, then you already know the struggles. Random card declines or hidden charges eating away your ad budget. And let's be real, the traditional banks do not really understand the world of digital advertising. But Spend.net, it was literally built with advertisers in mind. And that's where it gets interesting. Spend.net gives you virtual dollar cards that are acceptable on major advertising platforms like Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, name it. You can also use your card to pay for anything ranging from Adobe Photoshop subscription, pay on AliExpress, hotel reservations, eBay, and more. Spend.net cards work worldwide, and the sweet part is you don't just spend, you actually earn. Every payment comes with 2% cashback. And yes, these are not just half-baked cards. You will get full payment details, such as card number, expiry date, CVV, just like physical cards. They run on Visa and MasterCard network. So you already know that they are universal cards. On top of that, every card is equipped with 3D secure protection, which means AWS checks are no problem. It is safe, fast, and built to keep your campaigns alive. Now, here is something that real media advertisers will appreciate most. I mean BINs, that is Bank International Numbers. If your BIN doesn't fit what Facebook or Google wants, your payments can fail. Spend.net solves that by giving you access to 20 carefully selected BINs, including 6 unique ones just for your ad payments. That means fewer declines, smoother campaign runs, and let's be honest, we all need fewer headaches in ad management. And the process, crazy simple. You can sign up with Google or your email address. Create a password and you are in already. Issuing card is just one click away after a basic KYC. No complicated forms. Need funds in your card? Just top up with USDT or BTC and your balance is ready instantly. And if anything goes wrong, support is available 24/7 right inside your account with live chats. I've tried their customer support and they replied fast. The link is at the description of this video. When you click on that link, it will take you to this user interface. To sign up, click on this sign up button. You can sign up with your Google account or you go ahead to sign up with your email. I prefer to use email, so I will enter my email address right here. Then input your password here. Ensure that you use at least 6 characters. After that, check this box, I am not a robot. Click on this sign up button. With that, you have created your account successfully. You can see the new account I just created. The balance is still $0. Then the cashback is still $0. Now you can add funds here. You can also load your card here. You can exchange your money here, and you can also withdraw. You can issue your card for free here. You can also issue your card for free. For payments, you get 1% cashback, while for advertisement payments, you get 2% cashback. This particular icon is for your profile. To check your profile, click on this icon here. Then to do your KYC verification, click on this particular icon. If you will see the KYC verification here, and you see the different verification levels right here. There are some other buttons down below. If you click here, it will take you to the home page. The second icon here is your wallet. You will see your account balance and every other balance in your wallet. Then the third icon here is your card icon. The last icon here is for help. So if you need any support, just click on that help and you'll be able to get support via Telegram chat or live chat. Now, let's talk money. This is where Spend.net feels too good to be true. 0% on transactions, 0% on declines, 0% on currency exchange, 0% on withdrawals, and 0% on refunds. That's amazing, right? Even better, top-ups of $50 and above are fee-free. If it is below $50, there's just a small service charge. And here is something very unique. You can choose your own top-up percentage. The average is just 2%. So you're always in control. And if you are managing a team or multiple clients, the platform makes life so much easier. You can assign rules, distribute tasks, create unlimited cards, and even see cashback earnings live across all campaigns. For financial reports, they are downloadable in CSV or XLS. So whether you're reporting to clients or managing an in-house team, everything is crystal clear and transparent. Oh, and did I mention that there are no limits to how many number of cards you can issue? Plus, all cards come with free insurance. That's something you almost never see in most virtual cards. So, here is the deal. If you are serious about scaling ads without stress, Spend.net is hands down worth trying. You spend, you earn cash back. You avoid random declines, you get peace of mind, knowing fully well that your payments are secured. Click the link in the description, sign up, try it out, and let me know in the comment section.